We're also cutting across to more breaking news coming in of an encounter that is underway on the outskirts of Srinagar. Hizbul commander has been neutralized by our forces. This is once again a big win for our forces, where the Hizbul commander has been neutralized, and it was a joint operation that was carried out in the valley by the forces and the Jammu and Kashmir police as well. Hizbul commander has been neutralized, and we are yet to get more details of the encounter as the operation is underway, and search and cordon that has also been launched. Meanwhile, high security personnel, high deployment of security personnel that is in and around this area. But I believe Zeenat will be joining us very shortly. Before we cut across to a reaction also coming in from the Kashmir IGP, and I'm being told that Zeenat is already connected with us. Zeenat, what more can you tell us about the ongoing operation? And most importantly, this big win for our forces, Hizbul commander neutralized.
Yes, absolutely. It's a big win for the J&K police, because this is a hint coming from Jammu and Kashmir police that the Hizbul chief, after Riaz Naik, who had taken the reins of Hizbul Mujahideen after Riaz Naiko was neutralized, Dr. Saifullah, neutralized by Jammu Kashmir police in Srinagar, Sunangret area. He was a known terrorist for a long time who was involved in anti-terror activities, and he managed to escape from number of encounters. But it is a big time for the Jammu and Kashmir police to celebrate this success, because as IGP Kashmir also said that forces should celebrate the success of this operation. One big terrorist of Hizbul Mujahideen neutralized. Obviously, this is going to give a body blow to Hizbul Mujahideen, which is a local outfit in Kashmir, that Dr. Saifullah has been neutralized in Rangra. It was a very short, swift operation based on the complete int of Jammu and Kashmir. Accordingly, the forces launched the operation. In fact, Dr. Saifullah had come from South Kashmir to this part, to Srinagar, where he was trapped and neutralized by the forces. You can see it is coming a big success for the society, although we are seeing also a spike in anti-terror operations coming from Jammu Kashmir police along with other forces.
And in fact, Zeenat, the Kashmir IG has confirmed that Hizbul commander has been neutralized. Let's listen into that reaction.
पुलिस को इतला मिली थी कल रात में इस घर में साउथ कश्मीर से एचएम का कमांडर डॉक्टर जिसको सैफुल्लाह बोलते हैं आया हुआ है जी सर। उसके बाद पुलिस सीआरपी आके कॉर्डन करते ही फायरिंग शुरू हो गया। बाद में आर्मी भी ज्वाइन कर ली। इनकाउंटर में एक टेररिस्ट मारा गया। हमारे सोर्स के हिसाब से ये लगभग 95% डॉक्टर सैफुल्लाह ही है। अभी बॉडी हम लोग बाहर निकाले हैं, उनके फैमिली को मिला के दिखा देंगे और आइडेंटिफाई हो जाएगा और बता देंगे आप लोग।
Zeenat, we just heard that reaction, and you're still connected with us. Continue talking to us about the operation that is underway, the difficulties of this operation, and what more will you be able to furnish?
Suisha, this is a very important operation for Jammu Kashmir police, because as far as the Hizbul Mujahideen, the local outfit in Kashmir is concerned, because he was the top commander of Hizbul Mujahideen who took over as Hizb chief after the killing of Riaz Naiko this year. So killing a Hizbul chief is a success for the Jammu Kashmir police, and it will give relief to all the people who have been impacted, who were affected because of this Saifullah. In fact, he was not only a local recruiter, but he was also providing training to the youngsters who were carrying law and order. He used to target the security forces, was involved in n number of activities. In fact, there were a lot of cases that were registered against him by Jammu Kashmir police. So this is coming a big relief for the people in South Kashmir, because Dr. Saifullah was operating more in South Kashmir, but this time he had managed to come to Srinagar from South Kashmir, and in a very swift in Jammu Kashmir police launched an operation. Although what we are picking from our sources is that this was an operation of Anantnag police. They had the information that Dr. Saifullah has traveled to Srinagar, and accordingly Anantnag police informed Srinagar police. So this was a kind of joint operation carried by the Anantnag police, Srinagar police, and CRPF being the part of the operation. As far as the outer cordon is concerned, they were able to neutralize this dreaded terrorist. In fact, no collateral damage, no loss of life or injury. So it's clean and clear, very swift operation that was carried by Jammu Kashmir police. Although, as IG Kashmir just pointed out while speaking to press here, that it's a success and they should celebrate the killing because he was the one who was taking care. He took over the reins of Hizbul Mujahideen, which is again a terror outfit, a local terror outfit. So forces are definitely celebrating the success because as Srinagar has always been very calm and peaceful as far as the terrorist activities are concerned, there had not been much number of terrorists in presence. But for the last couple of months, we are seeing that after IG Kashmir Vijay Kumar took over, we are seeing a number of operations in Srinagar city itself, where a good number of terrorists of Hizbul as well as Lashkar have been neutralized. And this again, the terrorist Saifullah was from Hizbul Mujahideen. It has given a dent and a blow. And obviously now needs to be seen that who will be the new chief of Hizbul, because many terrorists now are not ready to take the post of a top commander or something, because they know that once they become a commander or something, they will be on the radar of security forces. But obviously this will give a dent to the Hizbul Mujahideen terror outfit after the killing of his commander. Although at the encounter site in Rangred, Srinagar, the search operations are still being carried by the security forces in Srinagar. We are seeing a spike in anti-terror operation, although we are also seeing that part of the anti-terror operations, that during anti-terror operations, yes, security forces are giving chances and appeal making to them. They are making appeal to the terrorists to surrender, and they have succeeded to a great extent, because if we take the number this year, some 8 boys have surrendered during live encounters. In fact, the parents used to come to the encounter site, and somehow both parents and the security forces were able to get many of the boys back.